All right, and here we go with section 8.3, geometric sequences with me, Mr. Hain. All right, so let's dive right in. Geometric sequences are very much like arithmetic sequences, except each term after the first is obtained by multiplying the preceding term by a fixed non-zero constant. That's called the common ratio. So you'll see what these look like. They're very simple. Just think of them like multiplication tables, really, and that's all it is. All right. So if we want to find the nth term, so if I wanted to find, like, say, the 17th term or the 85th term or the 15th term, I use this formula. So here's what it looks like. If I want to find the 7th term of a sequence where the first term was 5 and the ratio was -3. So it'll be 5, -15, positive 45, etc. Then I would plug it into the formula. I know the 7th term is what I'm looking for, so n is 7. The first term is 5, which was given to me. I know the common ratio, which was given to me, and then the n minus 1 is just 7 minus 1. So I simplify that to the 6th power. My calculator does all the work. And kaboom, 3,645. All right, so why don't you try? Let's find the 8th term of this sequence. Okay, so the first term is 3, and I need to find the common ratio. 6 divided by 3 is 2, 12 divided by 6 is 2, 24 divided by 12 is 2, 48 divided... Okay, so the ratio is definitely 2. All right, so go ahead and pause the video and see if you have the 8th term. And we're back. So if you've got this following work and the 8th term is 384, you're right on track. Okay, so we found the nth term. Let's find the sum of the first n terms. Now notice, unlike the formula for the sum of the terms in an arithmetic sequence, we do not need to know the nth term. We just need to know the ratio and the first number, or the first term. All right, so if I wanted to find the sum of the first 9 terms of 2, -6, 18, -54, I need to first find the common ratio. So I'm going to take the numbers. -6 divided by 2 is -3, and 18 divided by -6 is -3, and -54 divided by 18 is -3. So all of these numbers give me a common ratio of -3, and the first term is definitely 2. Sweet. So I just plug this into our formula to find the 9th term. You see I have 2 as my first number, or as my first term, 1 minus r to the n, which is -3 to the 9th, and 1 minus -3. My calculator does all the work. Ladies and gentlemen, 9,842. All right, so let's find the sum of a geometric sequence. All right, so this is where we start. This is where we end. This is the number that changes. So the first term is 6. The second term is 18. And the reason I do the second term is because I want to find the ratio. So 18 divided by 6 is definitely 3. All right, so plug it into my formula for the sum of the first n terms, and I need to find the sum of the first 8 terms. Boom! My calculator does all the work, and it is 19,680. All right, this is not that difficult, and in fact, we've reached the end of geometric sequences. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I will join you next time. If you want to re-watch this video or any of my other videos for review, feel free to do so.